So this is a brief overview of Classkick. Classkick is a really interesting resource. It basically works similar to Canvas if you've worked with that. It allows you to create an online instruction center, and it's really interesting because here they kind of talk about what does it do. So it's a web-based instructional tool. It's really easy because it really lets you make the classroom paperless. It lets you see students working in real time. You can support students with in-time feedback. Here they say the students love Classkick, but I mean that's probably just kind of user preference. But the nice thing is there are a bunch of articles on kind of what to do, what to expect, what you're looking at. And if you go further to getting started, it'll run you through a brief little video, and it will even have you creating and editing and a ton of articles of just kind of what you can do, what you can access, how you can do things through and through. It's a really unique resource that lets you do everything. And of course, this part is free. However, you can click the Classkick Pro, which is a lot better. You do have to purchase it, but the advantage is it gives you more freedom to control your images, your wording, your ability to have certain special effects. It's worthwhile if you're going to be a teacher, but the nice thing is it's still free. It gives you great ideas. It lets you set up the structure, and then if your school does decide to buy or pay for it, you can then go ahead and vamp it up with all of the options available by Classkick Pro.